To start a friend streak on Duolingo, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know all about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to start a friend streak on Duolingo. Now the first step is that make sure that you have already installed the Duolingo app on your device. So if you have not installed it, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. And also make sure that you are already connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to start a friend streak. So after that, you just need to open the Duolingo app, and from here you just need to tap on your profile icon. Clicking on the option of profile icon, you just need to add a friend. So click on the option of add friends, and you may simply choose from your friends, choose from your contacts, search by name, and you may also simply share the follow link. So after doing all of it, your friends also must accept your request to start this streak, and after doing all of it, you just need to start learning. So complete the lesson or practice session daily, and make sure both of you and your friends practice on the same day. If you both practice on the same day, then your friend's streak will increase by one. So by doing this, if your friend and you start practicing day by day, and if you go on gradually like this, then the friend streak will increase in a very gradual way. So that's it. That's how you can start the friend streak on Duolingo. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.